Thank you for joining me for another episode of Devilcraft Leather. In this episode, we're going to be doing a 10-minute challenge where I'm going to build a single fold card wallet. Please click like and subscribe. Also, feel free to comment. Let me know of other things that you might want to see me create in my leatherworking adventures.
Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just roughly cutting this to where I think straight is. In the end, maybe I can, get a little bit further down the road. Yikes. Okay. And this isn't something that I would say, yeah, let's just, make a wallet as fast as we can. But that's not really what leathercraft is about. I'm just doing this for the sheer fun of it. But what you have to realize is that unless you do, maybe if you do things like this, like activities like this, you actually will focus on what you find, or you'll figure out what is the most important piece of your build, or what is taking you the longest as far as time goes. Okay. I didn't measure that at all. I have no idea what that's. Okay. That's not bad. Okay. We're gonna punch some holes in the sides here. Give me this thing. I know you're probably thinking, oh my god, is he really gonna stitch this? And I honestly think that's gonna be faster than riveting. Oh, I guess I'm cheating. I had this from a previous build. Alright, let's do this real quick. Oh no, I'm hung up. And now I'm gonna cross over. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, this is gonna be something I never do. For the interest of time, all that's good and worthy, we're gonna do it. Alright. Okay. So now, generally I'd go all the way back up, but I don't have time for that. Lighter. Okay. Tighten up those threads a little bit. Oh, that's terrible. All right. Okay, let's do this again. What do we have for time? 5:57. That means I'm at 6 minutes. I'm actually not doing too bad on time, I don't think. Flying tools, watch out. Oh my. Oh man, really? Okay, this is why you burnish your holes, people. Yeah, and this is killing me. This is killing my time. That's why you always punch your holes with another leather piece underneath so that you can get a good perforation. I was overzealous in my perforation abilities. Oh, my fingers. Oh, this is a finger workout. I am at 7:10 on this clock. Okay, cut this off. Where's my cutter? I should have looped it around there too. This isn't gonna be a strong hold at all. Okay, now what I need to do is put this in here. That works. That's great. Okay, so now what I need to do is just get a sort of decent measurement here. Okay, we're just gonna slice this down. Give me the scratch all. Give me the scratch all. We're at 8:11. Okay, making good progress. Okay. Now all I'm gonna do is mark a center line here. That's not too bad. I mean, it's a little off. Okay, so now we need our punch. Come on, punch. Where are you at? Okay, okay, we're gonna punch this thing in place. Oh, come on. Okay, we can do this. Okay, take this out of here. Put this in here. Okay, push this back through. Okay, and we're gonna punch this guy through. And hopefully this doesn't go through the other side. Hopefully not. Didn't. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay. Oh, come on. You're killing me here. There we go. Okay, so punch, rivet, that guy. Okay. Get that set in place. Okay, where's this? I don't know what I'm doing. This snaps. Does this snap like this? Oh, don't remember. Oh no, it's this piece. Come on, where are you at? Okay, come on. Okay, this piece goes through here. Where are we at on time? 10 minutes. So we have 1 minute left. Oh, come on. I should have set this to begin with. This is terrible. Okay. Where is this thing? Okay. Okay. Snap. Top. Where's this freaking thing? Where am I at? What am I? Come on! We're at 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. Okay. Alright, that gives me literally 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, where are we at? 4, and I'm... Ow, that hurt. Literally. Okay, where is that tool? Okay. Okay, I guess it's gonna be 11 minutes 30, 10 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, where's the card? So this is it. This is the card wallet. This is the card. This goes in there. And Bob's your uncle. Alright, cool. Alright, so this was a 10 minute and 30 second build. It would have worked out if I would have not pulled that through. You know what? Like I haven't showed you guys how this product works. It's called Dr. Jackson's oil for leather. Just as a demo, I'll just use this real quick and show you how this stuff works. I like it personally. Maybe you will. So just grab a little cloth like this. Well, that's why we have... So I kind of like it because it obviously protects the leather. It gives it a nice natural color, which some people are really into. I definitely like my saddle tan colors, but you know, everybody's different. But it kind of gives it that sort of like really natural finish. I mean, after I put a little bit of oil treatment and mink oil, no staining or nothing. It gives this nice saddle tan look to it. Just a single card wallet, and I mean, essentially we're at let's see here, 18 minutes 50 seconds of recording. So I mean, you can make something like this and use it for business cards or something. Well, I want to thank you for watching this episode of Devilcraft Leather. Please go check out my other videos and click like and subscribe.